Okay, so a line that intersects two or more lines at distinct points is a transversal. Okay,
Yes.
agreed. So
Yes.
this line M is not a transversal to L and P. Why? Because it is not meeting at distinct points. It is meeting at the same point, right? Though it is meeting at the same point, right?
Yeah.
Agreed, ma? Okay. Okay. So now look at this. There are two lines L and M. Okay, two lines L and M. Okay. When two lines, these two lines are being met by this line P. Okay. P is the transversal, right?
Yeah.
Whenever two lines meet, we get four angles. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Agreed?
Yes.
Okay. We are getting total 8 angles, of which the inside four, let's say these inside four, 3, 4, 5, 6. These four, what we call them interior angles. Agreed?
Yeah.
Okay. Understood, no? So let's say if I draw like this, then if I call A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. What are the interior angles? Tell me.
They are 3, 4, and 5, and 6. Oh, I
3,
don't
4,
know.
5, 6. In this four. Tell me D, C, E, F, right?
Yes.
Okay. D, C, E, F are the interior angles. What are exterior angles? The other four. 1, 2, 7,
1,
8.
2, 7, 8.
1, 2, 7, 8. Because they are outside. Okay. Now, there is something called corresponding angles. Okay. Corresponding angles. So you just need to see the relative reference. So 1 and 5, these are corresponding angles. 2 and 6. Similarly, this 3 and this 7. This 4 and this 8. They are corresponding to each other. Okay. So these are called corresponding angles. See, 1 and 5, 1 and 5, 3 and 6, 4 and 8, 2 and 6. Okay, Ma?
Okay.
Okay. So now these interior angles are there, right? This 3 versus this 6. These are called alternate interior angles. Okay? Because they are on one is on one side, another is on another side, right? Both are interior angles. Similarly, this 4 and this 5 will be alternate interior angles. Agreed?
Yeah.
By the same logic, alternate exterior angles also. 1 and 8 will be alternate exterior. Similarly, 2 and 7 will be alternate exterior, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we have figured out all kinds of combinations. Now, this 4 and this 6 are called interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Okay, similarly, this 3 and 5. Because what is the transversal? This line P is the transversal, right? P is the transversal, and 4 and 6 are on the same side of this transversal, right?
Yes.
Agreed. So that's why we call them interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Agreed, Amma?
Yeah.
Okay, fantastic. Uh, now tell me, what are this 1 and 2? Just open
They
your
are
book, open this page. Okay, open this page, you see this page, and tell me here, what exactly are this 1 and 2?
1 and 2. Where? Where?
Just don't get confused. Open this page. Okay,
Oh, okay. 1 and 2 are the interior angles.
no, interior fine, but what type of interiors?
Oh, they are, I think, alternate.
1 and 2. First of all, is 1 interior? Just check.
Yeah.
Is it interior or exterior?
No,
Careful.
it's exterior.
Right. 1 and 2 are not interior angles. Okay. So what does that mean? They are definitely not interior angles. They are definitely not exterior angles also. Right?
So
So
they're corresponding.
they are corresponding angles, right? These are what?
Yes.
They are corresponding. What about
Corresponding.
this one? 3 and
Which
4?
one?
3 and 4.
Oh, they are alternate. No, we know.
Alternate only. They are alternate. Then what?
Yeah, they're alternate interior angles.
Very good. Alternate interior because they are inside. Okay, this is the transversal, right? This is the transversal. So these two are exterior angles, right? These four. These four are interior angles. And they are on different sides of the transversal. That's why 3 and 4 are alternate. Okay, what about 5 and 6? Are they interior or exterior first?
They're interior.
They are interior. Then what type of interior?
Um, think, let me see. They are. They're the same side.
Same side
Transversal.
of the transversal, right? On the same
Yes.
side of the transversal. Now what about this one? Are
Seven,
they
8.
7, 8? Are they interior exterior first?
They're both different.
They are not. They are neither interior neither exterior. So one is what is this? Is this interior or exterior?
7.
8, 8. 8 is
Oh,
exterior,
8
right?
is exterior.
7 is interior. Okay. Now
Yeah.
what is the relation between these two?
They're
Are they
corresponding.
corresponding angles? Yes, excellent. These are corresponding angles. What about these two? Are they interior and or exterior? 9
They're
and 10?
alternate interior angles.
Alternate interior angles. Very good. What about these two? 11 and 12?
They're uh they're like exterior angles.
They are just exterior angles. But earlier, we know some other term for these kind of angles. They are just
Um
exterior angles. They are just supplementary angles. Right?
yes.
11 plus 12 is 180 degrees, no? They are on the same straight line. Agreed, ma? They are just supplementary angles.
Yeah.
Okay. So now the same logic earlier, this interior exterior. Now what we will do? We will make these two lines parallel. Okay, or these two lines parallel. Now let's see what will happen. Okay, okay. Now what we do? We'll take these two parallel lines. L and M are parallel. Now the same. 1, 3, 6, 8. These four are interior. Same 5, 7, 2, 4. They are exterior. 1, 6, 2, 8, 3, 8. Alternate interior, etc., etc. Okay, ma?
Okay.
Now, if L and M are parallel, what will happen is all the corresponding angles will be equal. Okay, what does that mean? 7 should be equal to 8. 5 should be equal to 6. 3 should be equal to 4. 1 should be equal to 2. Agreed?
Yeah.
So that is the statement. Just read the statement. If two parallel lines are cut by transversal, each pair of corresponding angles are equal in measure. How many pairs we get?
We
We
got
get
4 pairs.
4 pairs. Okay, so all angles in each pair they are equal. So 7 and 8 should be equal. 5 and 6, 3 and 4, 1 and 2. But this remember this condition when these L and M are parallel. Then only you can do this. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So 4 are equal. Then at the same time, each pair of alternate interior angles are equal. What does that mean? Tell me. Which ones are equal? Alternate
No.
interior angles are equal, he is saying.
Yes.
What does that mean? How many two pairs we have, right? Alternate interior angles. Which two are equal now?
6 and 7.
No, no, no. 6 and 7 are not alternate interior angles. 7 is
Oh,
exterior, no?
6 and 1
Very good. 6 and 1. And what is the other one?
and 8 and 3.
8 and 3. Okay. 1 should be equal to 6. 3 should be equal to 8. Fantastic. Now, okay. Look at this. Look at this. What is this figure saying? Which two angles
Um,
are equal?
those two.
These two are equal. But as per which rule? What are these two angles? Between
They're
parallel lines,
they're
among,
they're
among these two rules,
corresponding. Corresponding.
Corresponding angles. Excellent. What about these two?
Those are corresponding.
Corresponding. These two?
Um, corresponding.
Corresponding. Very good. What about these two?
Alternate.
Alternate what? Interior or
Alternate
exterior?
interior.
Interior. What about these two?
Oh no. Alternate interior.
Alternate interior. What about these two?
Alternate interior.
Very good. Understood now?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. What is x here?
It's 60.
X is 60. Just tell the name of x also. What kind of angle is it? X and 60?
It's it's an interior alternate
Alternate
angle.
interior angles. What about this one? What is y?
55 and it's interior.
Alternate
Alternate.
interior again, right?
Yes.
What about this one? 1 equals to
Um
2?
no. Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
How?
What?
Why is it 2? But these two are not parallel, no? First condition is these two should be parallel, right?
Oh. No, actually no.
Right. They're not looking equal, right?
Yeah. 2 is a little bit smaller, it looks.
2 is obtuse angle, 1 is acute angle, right? See?
Yeah.
Okay, but at this end, that's not the criteria. So what is the criteria? If these two are parallel, then what happens to this angle? Then what about this and this? What type of angles are there if these two are parallel?
What do you mean?
Okay, instead of this L1, this is L1. The one I have drawn, right? Let's say this is
Okay.
L1. Okay, forget
Alright.
about this one. Now this angle and this angle. Let's say now let's call this one. 1 and 2 are equal now.
Yeah.
Okay. So by what logic?
Um by transversal.
No, no. Alternate interior angles. Transversal only.
Yeah.
Alternate interior angles. Now tell me uh, what is Z?
Z is 60.
Z is 60. How? Look carefully. Z is obtuse angle, right?
Z is obtuse and the
Ah,
60 degrees is acute,
acute,
so
right? So, but there's a relation. Just try to find out. This 60 is equal to this one, right? Because they are corresponding angles. Agreed, ma?
yeah, they're corresponding. So
So
then what would
what should this
Z
angle
be
be?
equal to?
This angle should be 60 degrees. And Z and this are
120?
supplementary
No,
angles, right?
120.
So Z should be 120. Okay. What is this? This is also 120, right? Because this is on the same straight line, 60 plus 120. Now this and this are alternate interior angles. Agreed?
Yes.
Okay. So then what will this be?
That
Just
would
tell
be
all the
60.
angles. This is 120. This is again 60. This is 60. This is what? This is again 120, no?
120.
Okay.
120.
Similarly, this is 60. This is 120. This is 120. Okay. All the angles. Agreed, ma?
Yeah.
What is x?
X is it's 120.
X is 120. Fantastic. Right.
Yeah.
X is 120. Now, similarly, finish all the angles. What is this angle?
That would be 60.
60. Right. So this is also 60. What is this angle?
180.
No, no. This one.
I
This one
mean,
should be 60. The
this
total
would
is
be
180.
60.
This one
That
is
would be 120.
120. Right. What is this one?
60.
60. This is 120. Agreed?
120.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Now this 60 is given. You have to find out A, B, C, D. Be careful. We have done the same problem. A, B, C, D.
Okay. A is 60.
Careful. A is obtuse angle.
Oh, then it's 120.
A should be 120. Right?
B is 60, and then C
Ah,
is 60, and then D is 120.
very good. Excellent. This is 60. This is 120. This is 60. And why is A 120? Tell me. By what logic?
Because B is 60.
Okay. Why is B 60 then?
because because 60 is over there,
No,
and
no, no, no. So
it should be
you have
its
to give
opposite.
those look interior opposite angle, interior alternate angle, whatever. You have to give or corresponding angle, those kind of reasons. So, for example,
Oh,
this is 60 because it is opposite angle of this intersection, right? So that's why this becomes 60, and this is 120 because it is supplementary angle of 60, right? We have to give in such mathematical terms. Okay, this is 120 because it is supplementary angle on this straight line, and A is 120 because A and this 120 are corresponding angles, right? And this 60 is equal to this 60 because these two are corresponding angles. Now this 60 into the equals to this 60 because these two are corresponding angles. This should be 180. Likewise. Okay, ma? So you have to use
okay.
these terminologies. Corresponding angles, interior opposite angles, or opposite angles of intersection, whatever. Like this. Okay, ma?
Okay.
Though you can intuitively see, you still should be able to express in terms of the mathematical terms. Okay, ma?
Okay.
Okay, very good. So now what does that mean? If these two angles are, if you somehow if you measure these two angles and if they are both coming equal, that means these two lines are parallel. Okay,
Okay.
okay, because these two are alternate interior angles, right? If you measure these two angles, if they are coming out to be equal, what does that mean? The automatic means these two lines are parallel. Okay, ma?
Yeah.
Okay. Now tell me, is L parallel to M?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. What about this one? Is this parallel to this
Yes.
one? Why?
Yes.
Because this also is 50. Okay, that is the logic. This also is 50 because this total is 180. This is 130. That means this is 50. What about this one? What is X here? If these two are parallel?
Yeah.
No, no. What is X? If these two are parallel,
Oh,
what should be X?
if they're both parallel, then 70.
No, no, no. Careful. 70 is acute. X is obtuse.
Oh no, that would be 110.
This should be 110 now
Yeah.
because this is 70 corresponding angle. So total should be 180. Okay, ma? Okay. So A is parallel to B, and then he's saying 1 equals to 5. What are these two angles?
They're corresponding.
Very good. 4 equals to 6.
Those are alternate interior.
4 plus 5 equals to 180.
That is true.
5 is corresponding to 1. That's why 4 plus 5 equals to 4 plus 1. That's why 180. Okay, ma?
Yeah.
Okay. So this one, how many pairs you will get? Corresponding angles. What are those? Quickly tell.
1 and 5, 2
Very good.
and 6.
Very good. 4 and 8, 3 and 7, right? Alternate
Yeah.
integral angles.
Alternate interior. We have 4 and 6 and 3 and 5.
Oh, wait. 4 and 6 are exterior. You are looking
What?
for alternate interior. That
Oh,
means
I was looking up. I was looking at the one above.
alternate interior, no?
I
Oh,
was
okay.
looking at the one above.
You are looking in this picture. Okay. Fine. Got it. Look at this picture. Okay. Interior angles on the same side of the transversal.
Same side of the transverse. Um, we 5 and 6. What? No, 2 and 5 and 1 and 6.
2 and 5 and no, 1 and 6 are not interior. They should be interior. So 3 and 8. Okay, ma? These two and these two.
Oh,
Agreed.
why do I keep on doing that?
Pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal. This is done. Vertically opposite angles. Opposite angles you already know. Find the unknown angles here. Just tell me what is A, B, C, D, E, F.
Okay, so E. No. F is
Hmm.
55
F is 55. Why 55?
because 125 plus 55 equals to 180.
Okay. So these two are supplementary. Okay.
And then E is 120. No, 55. And then uh, D is 125.
D
A
is
is 55.
D
B
is
is
120.
125.
What is E?
C
E.
is
This is 125. This is 55. What is E?
55.
Very good. So all are 55s. Right? Fantastic. Very nice. What is X here?
X is 70.
X here?
That's 110. No,
110 or 100?
100. 100.
100, no?
100. Yeah.
Okay. Then DGC, he's saying. DGC, this one. What is this one?
Oh. G is 110. D is 70. A is 110. C is.
No. While you are mentioning angles, you should mention the 3 points. Okay. So DGC, this should be 70, right?
Yeah.
DEF, this also should be 70, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now tell. Are these two parallel? L and M?
Yes.
How?
Because it's 126 for the.
Ah,
Because 126 plus 44 equals to 180.
it is not 180. It is 170 only.
Oh,
Okay, that's why they are not parallel. Okay, ma? What about this one?
no.
Okay, what angle makes this parallel?
Wait, no, they are parallel.
Which are parallel? These are parallel.
Yeah.
How?
Because it's 75 and 75.
But these are not corresponding angles. No. See, if this is 75, what should this be? This should be 105, right? This should be 105, no corresponding angle. It should be like this. Agreed.
Yes. I got
This should
confused with the first one because the lines look parallel, so I just thought it was.
right. They look parallel. They're almost parallel, but not parallel. Okay, ma. See here.
Okay. This is parallel.
How parallel? Because 57 plus 123 is 180, right?
Yes.
What about fourth one? This one?
No. No.
What should this angle be? What should this angle be to make them parallel?
100 and. No. 92.
92 plus
No,
72 is how
82.
much?
82. 82.
82 plus 72 is how much?
No, oh, I was talking about the 98 one.
What?
I was talking about the 98 one.
98. If what should this angle be? Just check if it is
That one.
82. Is it making it parallel? It is not, no? See, this is very easy. What is this one? 180 minus 72. What is that?
180 minus 72, that's 108.
108. So this angle should be 108, right? So just extend it a little bit, make it 108, and this will become parallel. Understood?
Yes.
This cannot be 98 because 98 plus 72 is falling short.
170. 170.
170 only. Okay, ma, you have to increase this angle by 10 more degrees. Agreed?
Yes.
Okay. So now do you agree with these statements?
A line segment has two endpoints.
Agree, no?
No. No, yeah.
Yes, line doesn't have endpoints. Line segment has endpoints, right?
Yes.
A ray will have only one endpoint, right?
Yeah.
Line has no endpoints, right?
Yeah.
Okay, when lines meet, there's an intersecting point. When lines don't meet, we call them parallel lines. Okay? Now uh, quickly, you remember all of this, no?
Yeah, I
Just
think
the
so.
important terms, these ones. Okay? I sent you this book also. Okay? Just revise this book once. Then we'll be meeting next week only, right?
Yeah.
We'll be meeting next week. So what I do, I'll give you some exercises also. You will be having time to do some exercises, practice
Um.
some kind of homework. I want to give it to you. Okay, just try and take some
Yeah.
time.
Yeah. I think I will have time.
You'll have some time, right? Just try and take out some time and okay, do as much as you can. And let me just show what kind of homework that I will give.
I mean, I have these papers.
Which papers?
Um. The things that you
What are
sent.
those?
I have
Okay,
like the.
okay. The earlier the one that we sent, those papers are those.
Yeah.
But that is full syllabus, no, not related to geometry, right?
I have like the entire test things.
Entire test paper, right? So
Yeah.
what instead I do, I'll show you one more this thing set of exercises only particular to geometry. Okay, particular to this angles, this, that, and all. Okay, but that is our complete syllabus, no? Your complete class 7 syllabus, that is. Okay. Instead,
Well,
I'll
I
give.
got this. I printed the sixth and seventh one, I think.
No, but complete sixth and seventh, it will include rational numbers, it will include integers, it will include data handling, whatever. Okay, so do those papers also. Fine, that is fine. Just finish off those papers, take your time and finish those papers also. Okay. Now
Okay.
beyond that, I'll give you some this exercise also. Okay, lines of symmetry. Okay, so let me just project.
You are projecting.
I am projecting. Okay, let me project one more sheet. Okay, can you see?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll give you this exercises. Okay, some of them you should be able to do. Okay, some of them you should be able to do. So, for example, whichever we have completed, just try to finish them. Okay. For
Okay.
example, this line is parallel to this line. What is QPS plus RPT? He is asking. QPS plus RPT. Using our logic, you should be able to do whatever we have done, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, some of them we have finished. Those things you do. Okay?
All right. Where
Okay,
do I access this?
what ma?
Where do I access this?
Answers are towards the end. You do it and you can check it yourself. Answers are towards the end.
No. Where do I access it?
I'll send it. No,
Okay.
I'll send this. I'll send the document. I'll send the document with certain exercises. Okay. So,
Okay.
if you finish them early, as and when you finish, you can send it to me, or we'll meet on next week. Okay.
Okay.
I'll send the exercises. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Good then. Take care. We'll close this now for here.
All right.
All
Bye.
the best. Bye bye.
Bye.